Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the SOXL Challenge channel. I'm thrilled to have you here for our September 2024 check-in. It's the evening of September 27, 2024, and we've got some exciting updates and strategies to dive into. SOXL is currently around $37, down slightly from last month's $39. There were some fluctuations in August and September, giving us great opportunities to buy the dip. On August 5, 2024, SOXL dropped to $23, and on September 6, 2024, it hit $25. I hope some of you were able to scoop up shares below $30. Since SOXL is a 3x leveraged ETF based on SOXX, we use the SOXX chart for technical analysis. After SOXX lost about 28%, dropping from $266 on July 10, 2024 to $193 on August 5, 2024, it has rebounded significantly. Starting with the golden cross on February 1, 2023, when the purple SMA 50 line crossed above the green SMA 200 line, we've seen a continued upward trend. SOXX dipped below the green SMA 200 line 3 times, in October 2023, August 2024, and September 2024. While some investors sell when stocks dip below the SMA 200, that strategy doesn't always work for volatile stocks like SOXX and SOXL. Semiconductor stocks can briefly dip below the SMA 200 before rebounding, so it's crucial to understand the broader semiconductor sector trends rather than rely solely on technical analysis. Now, let's review the semiconductor industry, especially during the AI boom expected between 2024 and 2030. 1. Increased demand for AI chips. As AI advances, demand for high-performance chips like GPUs and specialized AI chips will surge. Companies like NVIDIA and AMD are well-positioned to benefit. 2. Market growth. The semiconductor industry is projected to hit a $1 trillion valuation by 2030, driven by AI applications, creating numerous investment opportunities. 3. Technological advancements. Continuous innovation in semiconductor tech will fuel the AI sector's growth. 4. Diverse applications. AI's integration across sectors like healthcare, automotive, and finance will drive further demand for semiconductors. Overall, the semiconductor industry seems poised for substantial growth in the early stages of this AI cycle, meaning semiconductor stocks like SOXL could perform well for the next several years. Looking at the MACD, we see a bullish crossover, with the black MACD line recently crossing above the red signal line, another potential buy signal. The current RSI is 57, and I expect it to rise to 70 or 80 before a pullback. While these technical indicators aren't the focus of our long-term SOXL strategy, it's helpful to note that SOXL is still in an upward trend, though we can expect volatility. I anticipate that SOXL will continue to rise gradually through October, November, and December 2024. Let's briefly review some recent news on SOXL. By the end of September 2024, semiconductor stocks, including SOXL, saw some rebound. This recovery was driven by several factors. 1. Strong earnings reports. Companies like Micron Technology reported better than expected earnings, boosting investor confidence. 2. Increased demand for AI and IoT. AI and IoT technologies continue to fuel demand for advanced semiconductors. 3. Positive market sentiment. Improved sentiment towards tech stocks contributed to the rise in semiconductor stocks. 4. Technological innovations. Continuous advancements in semiconductor tech and new product launches played a key role in the sector's rebound. Additionally, the U.S. economy grew at an annualized rate of 3% in Q2 2024, up from 1.4% in Q1. This growth exceeded expectations, driven by strong consumer spending and business investment. On top of that, unemployment claims dropped, with 218,000 claims filed in the week ending September 21, 2024. This positive economic data comes after the Federal Reserve's recent interest rate cut aimed at maintaining economic stability. Now, let's get into our SOXL update. Today, SOXL is priced around $37, down from $39 last month. Since our last update, I haven't added more SOXL, keeping my total investment at over $9,000. I planned to buy more when SOXL dipped below $30, but unfortunately, my funds weren't ready at the time. I've fixed that now and have cash available to jump on the next opportunity. Usually, I invest $500 a month, but in July and August, I invested 11 months worth of SOXL in advance. So, until May 2025, I might buy less if prices rise, but if they drop, I'll continue buying more. This is part of our enhanced dollar cost averaging (EDCA) strategy, which we discussed in a previous video. Currently, my average cost per share is around $42. I now have a current total return of -10% and an approximate loss of $950. Since starting this challenge in December 2023, we've been investing $500 monthly, with the goal of accumulating $180,000 over 30 years. I believe this $180,000 investment could grow into several million dollars over time. To recap, our challenge is built on 4 key rules. 1. Monthly investment. Committing to invest around $500 in SOXL each month for 30+ years. 2. Enhanced dollar cost averaging (EDCA). Investing more during market lows and less during highs. 3. Sell before crashes. Selling if a major crash seems imminent, with plans to buy the dip later. 4. No margin trading. Avoiding borrowing money for trading. I'm optimistic about our journey ahead, and as we navigate the ups and downs of SOXL and the broader market, I'll keep you updated with regular insights and progress reports. That wraps up our SOXL update for September 2024. Remember, this channel is for entertainment, and I'm not a financial advisor. Be sure to tailor your investment strategy to fit your own financial goals. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your questions or thoughts in the comments. Happy investing, and see you next month.